Hi guys, this is Elena from A Time Out for Mommy. In our last video, we introduced you to Ozobot. Now we are coding Ozobot. We're teaching him what we want to see him do. So in this little activity we have, we're going to teach him how to jump straight with the color-coded commands. You can use regular markers in specific colors that Ozobot recognizes. In this one, we're going to use green and blue. On the diagram, you can see that to teach him how to jump straight, you need to have a green box, a blue box, and another green box, in that order. This is a fun activity for kids. You can teach them how to code. Here's another activity for your Ozobot. Again, using color codes. We're just following the color codes stated on the bottom of the paper. Calibrate your Ozobot in the calibration zone, and he's ready to go. His first command is to jump right. Now he's going to jump left. And now we're telling him to go straight and do a little dance. You can also create your own track for Ozobot to follow. We're giving Ozobot different commands of what we would like to see. In this example, our lines were not thick enough, so Ozobot had a hard time recognizing the track and what we were asking Ozobot to complete. So we made the lines a little thicker. Let's see if he could follow it now. And there he goes. So when you're making your own track for Ozobot, keep in mind to keep your lines nice and thick so he can see them. Now we're going to customize Ozobot. You could change the color of Ozobot when Ozobot is starting up. In this example, we're going to change Ozobot's color to red. We're using an iPad where we downloaded the Ozobot app, and we also configured our Ozobot and registered it with the included information in the case. Setup is really easy. It only took maybe 2 minutes to set up, and we were already ready to use it. There's different modes of play on the Ozobot app. This is just a simple track that we're using that was already made for us, and we're putting in different commands for Ozobot to follow. This is a fun family activity where everyone can get involved and place their commands at different locations on the track and watch Ozobot complete them. Once you have all your commands in order, you can start off your Ozobot and watch him perform. Keep in mind that Ozobot will follow every black line that it picks up. So if we put a little black line right over there, he's going to follow it and go on to the next track on the inside.